a haul. My friend called me and told me that when I did the parking lot chronicle at the Walmart today, she couldn't tell what I had. So I say I'll just do a haul because I went to this other place and I'm going to show you the sign at the end so you can look them up, Google them, and find your way there. They're also in the same area as that Walmart. There's another salvage store, and they were cheaper than the one I showed you the other day. And it had more stuff that was not expired. So you might find that quite interesting. I'm going to show you that haul and my Walmart haul for today. And just to, share with you. And so we talked about this in the car. It is a 28-inch rolling duffel bag with wheels. And it was regular $20.82. There's the UPC. And it was marked down on sale for $17.70. And I bought this for my son. Luggage is too expensive. This is fine for him for now, for our upcoming trips. So this is the other thing. Now you may be able to see it better. This is the 10-piece Contain the Chaos home edit set. It comes 10 pieces, 3 large insert bins, 4 medium insert bins, and 3 small insert bins to organize the clutter in your drawer, in your bathroom drawers, kitchen drawers. I don't see why it would only be for the bathroom. It should work anywhere. And this is from the Home Edit Netflix show. And I went through the line once and I said, these are $15, but I really just want one. Scanned that one and got in the parking lot, looked at the receipt. It rang up for $5. So I went in and bought 5 more. I was like, this is regular $24.98, 25 bucks. And at $5, that's 80% off. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, whatever. And I have some drawers in here I need to organize too. So I may even end up using most of them myself. $5. Your mileage may vary. Might have been a glitch. Somebody might have hit the wrong key. Somebody might have made the mistake. I can't guarantee you're going to find this deal. But I did leave it in the store that I was located at. I did leave at least 8 of them there. So give it a try. I also found, oh, here's the other receipt. What is that, a spider? Oh, no, that's one of my curly hairs hanging on there. Okay. So, it falls out all over the place. But here is the other clear bin, decent size, part of the Home Edit line. And it is 10 by 10 by 6. So this will go good under the bathroom counter, on top of one of those corner shelves to contain more items. And I bought 2 of these and 6 of the 10-pack. Because the 10-pack was a better value. See, this one had the $5 price tag, and it was regular $9.98. So I only bought 2 of those. Sorry. Then I bought some plant spikes for my house plants. Some plant food spikes. These are pretty good. You put a couple of them in each plant. That way they'll get a continuous feed. I'm about to do a repotting video for my ZZ plant and this other plant that I really want to flourish. And it's just kind of steady still. It gets a leaf here and there. It's still alive and doing well. It's just not blossoming and blooming out and blowing up like I want it to. So I think it needs a bigger pot. So I'll share that with you too as I do the repotting. But these are good to have as a continuous feed for those. And Dr. Till's came out with a new, we gonna call it flavor. A new flavor called Refresh and Revive. And it is organic superfoods and essential oils with vitamin A, D, and C. I did not smell it, but I try all of this stuff. And I actually now use the lavender bath oil. That stuff is amazing at night. Keeps your skin soft and smooth. And you're not ashy the next day. And you can keep on moving when you wake up in the morning. So I really like these products. And I always, if he has something new, I always give it a try at least once. So that is the end of the Walmart portion of the haul. As you can see, I didn't buy much, but I spent a good little penny. So this is a straggler from the first salvage haul from Saturday. It was still in the car. I was like, where's the hand soap I bought? These were 50 cents at the Salmon Ventures salvage. These big bottles were 50 cents, and I believe I also showed them in the picture clips. They have other scents, but I bought that one. And then the other salvage place. I wanted to film inside, but I kind of got the vibe. He said, actually, that Solomon's comes to them to buy stuff. So, something I bought at Solomon's for $4.95, he had it for $1 or $2. So, I will go there first from now on. Then none of the stuff is priced in this place. When you get to the register, he tells you the price, but most of it's $1. I say 9 items out of 10 was $1. But let me start with one of the $2 items. But I don't care because I like this, and this is worth $2. It is Candied Walnuts. You know, any nuts are expensive. They expire May 10th of 2022. So they're still good. This would be good if you were doing a little Mother's Day basket. And these were $2. I'll pay that. I bought 2 of these. And this is raw, 100% raw unfiltered honey in a bag. It's 16 ounces. And it's Florida Spring Orange Blossom Honey. And for some reason, I keep getting kind of... bring you a little closer, maybe. So it's Orange Blossom Honey. And it's got a little pour spout on the end. So for $2, yes. Candied pecans were $2. So I got the candied walnuts, candied pecans, put those in a nice little basket for Mother's Day. Mama will eat them that same day. This was a good little deal. And this was May 4th for the expiration. So it expires like in 2 days, but whatever. I'm going to eat them. My son already wanted to open it. I say, please let me do the haul before you go eating stuff. Because he already wants to eat it. And if he opens the bag, I will look tomorrow and I won't get to taste them. So it is what it is. But it's $2 a bag. This is the best seasoning. And we've been out for a minute and I've been looking for it. And lo and behold, there it was. Not only did he have the big ones, he had the smaller ones. And I bought 3. So he charged me $1 for each one. I paid $3.95 for this size early last year, or the middle of last year, when I bought it before. So this is a good deal. That's why I went on and stocked up. I don't care about the expiration date on this, nor do I see one. Let me see. I don't even see one. Yep, I don't even see an expiration date, nor do I care, because we love that seasoning. It's in an airtight container. It's fine. This, Best by 2026. And it's Badia, the big 12.75 ounce Badia cilantro and lime. I got that. If you saw my short of the 40 pounds of chicken wings, I don't fry all that chicken, even though my son wish I would. I don't fry every last bit of it. I will bake some, barbecue some, all of that. So this seasoning is much needed. And this is the regular Badia Complete. And we ran out. It's the of our big one. And this is the big 9 ounce, $1. So all these seasonings were $1. Then I bought a big Saison, regular Saison, rather than to use the little packets. Get it in the big, how many ounces is this? 7 ounce, $1. Then I saw this mojo rub. Oh, and let me look at the dates for you. This is 10/25. 10/25. This is 4/26. And I don't know where I stopped telling you the dates, so I'll just go back. And this is, I cannot see it, Best Buy. It says 2026. I can't tell the month. So if I can't see it, you probably can't either. But it does say 2026. This is a Mojo Rub Badia Citrus Blend. And it says 6 of 2026, but it's kind of, you got to get it at the right glare. So trust me on that. And this, he had boxes of these. They are good till 6/26/22. And they are a lemon and chive, wild caught pink salmon. I do like to have these pouches around. You could drop them on a salad real quick. But this was $1. I say, let me taste it, because I've never tasted that in a lemon chive flavor. So let me taste it, and I'll go back if I like it. So this is now $9.21.23, and it is lettuce wrap seasoning mix. It was $1. Cheaper than the store, because I'm sure these are not $1 in the store. But I want to try that with lettuce grown in the garden. Hey. Balsamic Capers. I always wanted to try those. I can try them for $1. And this is a 3.5 ounce jar. Capers are very expensive, mind you. Now this, my keto peeps, you may love these. Lily's salted almonds, salted caramel. He had more Lily's bars, but these are the two I picked. Now, I do not see. Oh, okay. Here's the date. Best Buy 2/4/23. Says BB 2/4/23. And here it says Best Buy 12/6/22. They were $1 a piece. I've never tried this before, so I only got 2. But he did have other flavors. And for your keto peeps, he also had the liquid stevia. He wanted $10 for that. I don't know how much it costs regular, because I'm not a keto person. But it was a pretty sizable bottle of stevia drops, $10. He had them in the different flavors, and he had the plain. I asked him the price on the plain, and he said $10. I said, okay, that's fine. I don't need those. But this, I never looked this up. Cameraman, can you look up Hawkins and Bimble? Look that up real quick and see how much it costs. Wow, I'm waiting. Okay, so Hawkins and Brimble. And it says Elimi and Ginseng Face Wash. And, sorry, I dropped it. There is no date on this. But it's face wash made in the UK. And Hawkins and Brimble. Born in London, natural and grooming. I don't know. And it's Hawkins and Brimble. So, what does it say? Oh, shoot. It sells for $16.95. $1. I might need to go back and get some of these and put them on eBay. $16.95. So, that was fine. I'm going to try it on my face. Hopefully, I don't break out and look like Creature from the Black Lagoon tomorrow. But I will try it on my face, test it out, see if I like it. I might go grab one more next time I go, because he did have cases of it. So, it's like, it's there. Then I saw this and wanted to give it a try. It's Jelly Belly wax melts, and I have one of those Aldi's wax melters, and it's crushed pineapple and ananas. So I think it was supposed to be bananas, and it might have ended up in his store because they forgot to be on the bananas, on the word bananas. So that might be why it ended up in his store. But he still charged $1, which I thought was a little steep. But, I mean, I don't even see an expiration date. I don't think this kind of stuff really expires. It just loses a little bit of the scent over time. I'm going to do a sniff test for you. It smells like a Jelly Belly jelly bean. And for some reason, I've been eating those lately because they've been tasting pretty good to me. Then I have another one of the honeys. I hope I told you these were $2. And Kung Pao sauce. I think this was $1. I like to use this. And did I even look for an expiration date on this? I don't know. But this was $1. And Ceramic Bright. This was $2. I was willing to pay it only because I brought the kit off of Amazon, and it was $10, and it came with a bottle the same size with the little scraper and the scrubbing pad and all that, but it was almost $10, and probably after tax it was over $10. And this one bottle of the cooktop cleaner was $2. So I was like, I already got the other tools. I got 2 bottles of the cleaner now. And that was all for this haul. I hope you like this video. I hope I'm opening up my local peeps to some places to go to get this cheap food while these groceries are going up outrageously. You got other resources to get. Stick to your keto diets. To get your seasonings and spices that are good for years that we need to be kind of stockpiling, because even if we have to just resort to growing our food, we do need to still season it. So this is a good resource. I hope I'm opening your eyes, leading you to places that's helping you prep for the future and helping you cut your budgets. And I'm bringing deals. I'm bringing gardening. I am trying to bring you all the great content that you need. I am very passionate about the deals. Alexa, stop. I am very passionate about deals. As you can see from my car, my parking lot chronicle. I am very passionate. So, I hope that you like this video. Comment, subscribe, ring the bell, because like this home edit deal, especially if you live in Jacksonville, work off Phillips Highway, you could have went in lunch and got it, because I did not put a thumbnail for my people who have the bells rung and actually watch the videos. This was a deal to go snap up on a lunch break. So if you ring that bell, you'll get the deals. I can't do thumbnails on my parking lot chronicles till I get back home. So ring that bell. I do. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Happy bargain hunting. Happy gardening. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed today. Bye-bye.